Hi everybody! So while we're waiting for a few people to hop on, I'm going to start with a little bit of background about why the unboxing and how it came to be. So a few months ago, because whenever I moved from the mountains of Virginia up to, the big bad city of DC, or right outside DC, I wanted to partake in all the little things that I may not have had the opportunity to do before. And one of those things was a kind of a blogger type event that a lady was speaking at a Kate Spade event. So I actually went after work to go enjoy a little bubbly and a little goodies to celebrate the Kate Spade leopard thing and to listen to the blogger. I met this wonderful lady named Sharon. She's not old enough to be a lady, but a nice acquaintance, and she had actually just recently quit her job and started her own company, which was a self-care subscription box. And I am a sucker for subscription boxes, so I had to jump in and be one of the first investors into her company, and by investing I mean paying for a few boxes so I get treats myself. And it was so cleverly named that I loved it. So here's the box. It's called Go Love Yourself, and it's a self-care book and goodies to go along with it. And I know that's kind of really big right now, and so I was kind of excited to see what would be there. And she had even said that the books and everything that would be in there are either really new, recent published, or have yet to be published and printed yet, that we would be one of the first people to receive them. So we're not getting something that we've already read, so we know that for sure. So because I'm one of the first people to have done this, then you get to see it live here. So again, I haven't seen anything other than the sweet note that she wrote at the very beginning. Man, how cute is the box? And in the note, pretty handwriting, which I've already read, essentially just thanking us for the support and all that good stuff. But so if you can see on the inside, I haven't even undone the sticker, so we will be finding out what's in the box together. So hi guys, so glad you can join me. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section, and I'll be able to either hook you up with Sharon or be able to answer them myself. But so here is the first thing. It says a long and happy life, just for one of the founding members, and it just kind of gives you a little bit of our theme, which is cherry blossoms. So cute. And then a nice little note that just says thank you for supporting small businesses. So it comes with a lot of